Good morning, children. Today I am present here with word puzzles for class 3. So, children, open your workbook and look at page number 27. There are some fun and easy to do word puzzles. Its name is Words into Words. Here you have to change one word into another by changing only one letter at a time, and each new line must have a real word. For examples, turn boy into man. As you can see, to change boy into man, only one letter has been changed at a time. The word is boy. Here, the boy is changed into bay, bay is changed into may, and at last we get man by changing the letter Y. Similarly, you have to make up some more word puzzles. Here, I have solved one more puzzles for you. See this? We have to turn cat into big. So to find the word big, I have written first bat by changing only one letter, then bag, and at last I have turned cat into big by changing one letter. Okay, same that you have to solve these puzzles. You can take help from dictionary to solve them. Okay, now come to page number 58. Crossword. As you can see, there is a word search game with the form of square and rectangular grid. There are two options, across and down. Below the crossword puzzles, there are two lists of numbered clues, one for the horizontal and the other for verticals. Here horizontal means across and verticals means down. Okay, now you have to fill in the blanks with letter forming words by solving these clues which lead to the answer. For examples, in cross number 3 is the opposite of there. What will be the answer? Children, when we see at the grid, we need 4 letters. As you can see, uh, the answer will be here. The opposite of there is here. So fill them in the blanks. Okay, similarly you have to solve these crossword puzzles. Now, on this page, some pictures clue are given. Some pictures for option across and some pictures clue for option down. You have to identify these pictures and fill the words in these blanks. Okay? Now come to page number 60. A small crossword. Here is a small crossword. The words have been put in. You have to write the clues. Children, you can use the dictionary for the meanings of these words, which can help you to write the clues. Okay, children, I hope you understood how to solve these puzzles. So try to do it and don't forget to check the second link for worksheet. Thank you.